Hello, my dear friends and family. My name is Rashail Anwar, and you're watching Computer Education Pakistan. Today, our topic is the journey of chocolate. Unit is 3, part 10, and this is the last lecture of this unit 3, grade 4, English based on one nation, one curriculum. So let's start. Writing. Learning to write. Read the given recipe. Title of recipe. Chicken cheese sandwich. Ingredients. Slices of bread, 3 or 4 pieces of boiled chicken, 2 slices of cheese, some lettuce leaves, 2 or 3 tomato slices, tomato ketchup. Firstly, toast the slices of bread. Secondly, put the pieces of boiled chicken on one slice of bread. Then, cover it with slices of cheese, a lettuce leaf and some tomato slices. Put some tomato ketchup on it. Finally, cover it with the other slice of bread and serve. Now write a recipe of a chocolate milkshake. Title of recipe: chocolate milkshake. Ingredients: chocolate bar, 2 glasses of milk, 1 teaspoon sugar. Firstly, add 2 cups of milk in a blender. Secondly, add 2 chocolate bars. Then add 1 teaspoon sugar or 2 teaspoon sugar if you like sugar, and I'm only adding 1 teaspoon sugar, and blend well. Finally, put on whipped cream and sprinkles. Then you have to do is serve. So this is the recipe of chocolate milkshake, and if you like this recipe, tell me in the comments below. And if you tried this recipe, then also tell me, then share it with me. If you know other recipes, share it with me and I'll see how good your recipe is. Well, why am I asking you to give me a recipe about your favorite food? Because there's a question here. It says, write a paragraph about your favorite food. Also write the reason why you like it. That's why I am asking you to write a paragraph about your favorite food. Also write the reason why you like it, and also give a recipe about it, and let's see how it is, how your recipe is, if it's good or not. I'll try your recipe and try that home. So please make sure to send it and make a paragraph about favorite food too. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next lesson.